हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
Wake up, open your eyes. See the sun up in the skies. Stretch your arms, feel so bright. It's a brand new morning light. Brush your teeth. Splash your cheek. Comb your hair, nice and neat. Time for breakfast, let's go eat. Wake up, smile today. Wash your hands clean and bright. Wear your clothes fresh and clean. School is fun, you will see. I'm ready now to learn and play. Happy and bright all day today. Here we grow. Good morning, friends. Let's go.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।